What did Tinker v. Des Moines say about First Amendment rights in schools? Imagine a group of students deciding to wear black armbands to school as a silent protest against the Vietnam War. They believe in expressing their opinions freely, even within the school environment. But what happens when their act of expression conflicts with school policies? This question led to a landmark legal case that would shape the rights of students across the nation. In the year 1969, the United States Supreme Court heard the case of Tinker versus Des Moines Independent Community School District. The students involved had worn black armbands to their school to protest the Vietnam War, and school officials had learned of their plans beforehand. Concerned that the armbands might cause disruption, the school adopted a policy prohibiting students from wearing them. When the students defied this rule, they were suspended from school, prompting the students and their families to challenge the school's actions as a violation of their First Amendment rights. The Supreme Court examined whether students' rights to free speech are protected while they are at school. The court emphasized that students do not shed their constitutional rights at the schoolhouse gate. They recognized that students' freedom of speech is fundamental and must be protected unless it causes substantial disruption or material interference with school activities. The court clarified that the wearing of armbands was a form of symbolic speech, which is protected under the First Amendment. The court's decision was unanimous, ruling in favor of the students. It established that school officials could not suppress student expression simply because they disagreed with the message or believed it might cause unrest. Instead, any restriction on speech must be based on clear evidence that it would significantly interfere with the educational process. The ruling set a precedent that students' rights to express their opinions are protected, provided their actions do not disrupt the educational environment. This case remains a cornerstone in understanding the balance between individual rights and school authority. It affirmed that students have the right to express their beliefs and opinions in peaceful ways, even within the confines of a school setting. The Tinker versus Des Moines decision continues to influence policies on student speech and free expression in schools across the United States.